Everyone, and welcome to another video. Today is a sketchbook session where I'll be painting watercolor portrait of the manhwa painter of the night. This is the character named Na Kyum. Here is the poster. I'm going to start the painting right away by adding the first wash of skin pigment. This is a very beautiful picture, as you can see on the screen right now. Here is the reference. In this type of video, as I go along and paint, I will explain to you guys the thought process and everything that goes behind it. As always, you can enjoy this type of video with your favorite snack or drink. You can just chill with me, or you can bring out your art supplies and let's have a good time together. I know my tutorials are very adored in this channel, but making same type of videos again and again, it gets kind of boring. So I want to switch things up a little bit, so make some therapeutic videos as well. It can help to release your stress and anxiety at the end of the day, because this is what art is for. Here now I'm adding my second wash of skin tone. It was barely visible in the camera previously because it was so light, but I think it's starting to catch up right now. As you can see, I'm adding more to a darker tone for the shadows of his face. Yeah, so back to what I was talking about, the videos. So I will be posting a lot of sketchbook sessions, not necessarily watercolor session. It can be acrylics. I bought new gouache paints, maybe I will try that with you guys, and pencil crayons. I have a few other medias that I want to try along, so I would make a lot of videos about that. So I hope you enjoy this type of videos. Whether you prefer talking or not talking, you can let me know in the comment below. It really helps me to plan and execute the next video as well. Just a reminder, if you guys don't follow me on Instagram already, go ahead and do that. My Instagram username is also chocoblob, and it will be linked in the description box down below. Watercolor is one of those mediums that I avoided as a kid or as a beginner, because I didn't know how to actually control the pigments and the water, so it was very challenging for me back then. But I think I'm trying to get a grip of it now, and it's way better, I guess. That what actually you guys need to tell me if it's okay-ish or where do I need to improve. Comments and suggestions are always welcome for me. Mostly I do this type of painting sessions all by myself, just for for me and my eyes or myself. But I found that this really helps me to throw out my tensions or stress and anxiety, because of course I'm a uni student, that is inevitable, but at least I get like an hour or two of peace, and I really hope these videos give you peace as well. You can enjoy it at your comfort of your home or anywhere you feel like. I think that would help you out a little bit, if not a lot. While painting his hair, I'm starting off by a very light wash of a dark brown color. This is going to prep the base for even darker tone, because his hair is totally black and I don't want to put like a glob of black paint right on top of a dry paper. This kind of preps it up, at least that's what I think. For some of you who prefers those type of chill videos with literally no talking and lo-fi music going on in the back and kinda aesthetic chill vibe, this type of video, I will also make that, so don't worry, I got your back. And I hope you enjoy all this type of videos as well. Definitely I will make tutorials, because I already have like a list of requests from you guys, which I love and adore, that you guys request me, you want to see more of it, and I am really happy that you guys are enjoying my videos. And yeah, painting his outfit, I first thought it would be like a baby pink, but it's not really a baby pink, more of a warm tone, so I had to mix a little bit of yellow along with pink to get the exact shade. I don't know if that's looking exactly his outfit in the camera, but it was kind of as near as I possibly could go. Now I'm adding like a third wash of brown on his face for extra depth and pushing out the values a little bit more, because that's what my style is. I like more of a pigmented type of art. Some people asked me in the comments that since when I am starting my arts and what time usually takes to finish. So in my art journey video, not really an art journey, just artist for big, like art for beginners type of video, I mentioned that I usually started sketching around 2015-ish, and that's when I started with traditionally pen and paper, just simple how literally everyone starts. And then around 2016 end, one of my friend introduced me to digital art and Autodesk sketchbook, and that's where my journey began. And how long it takes to finish a piece, that actually depends on what type of piece I'm making. If I'm going for a really quick doodling session, it would hardly take me an hour or so. But if I'm up for like a good painting like this one, the sketching and the line art took me around 1.5 to 2 hours, and the another painting portion took me another 40 minutes or so. So it's like 2.5 to 3 hours. In case of digital art, it's the same, like 2.5 minutes. That's how it takes. Why do I always stammer when I'm doing the voiceovers? I have no idea. I swear I don't do that when I'm talking in real life. So I don't know, like my brain goes all over the place. If you guys want to, I can share like the minimal tips and tricks that I've learned so far on watercolor paintings, like how to make things looking better than it would usually do. So if you guys want a tips and tricks video on watercolor, let me know. I will definitely make that for you guys. Please keep that in mind that I am in no ways or no means claiming to be an expert. I have never been to an art school. I'm just a person who enjoys painting in general and what I've learned through my experiences. So my opinions or my tips and tricks or my ways of painting something might not be as good for you, or you might not agree with it, and I totally guess it's fine. Like within some of my artist friends, we also have our own opinions. Some of them loves very light colored painting, some of them are like love over pigmenting it. I'm kind of in the middle, so it's okay if my opinions or my things doesn't work for you, because I know everyone for art is different. I have taken more of a thinner brush now and more concentrated pigment of black. I'm precisely painting his bangs because his bangs were very thinly cut and see-through that you mostly see on Korean people. This is a Korean manhwa as far as I know. If I'm wrong, please correct me in the comment. And if you have any manhwa suggestions, please make sure to do that. I love to read them. The hair painting is done. Now I'm going to lay on the third layer of brown in the hands and areas around his face, because third one for the face was done. So now I would go ahead and darken the shadowy portions of the hand. Now adding the browns to his neck portions. I just love to oversaturate a few areas of the painting, just it highlights it from the rest of the part. So I'm adding a little bit of maroon shade on his cheeks and insides of his mouth. The flowers around him either are cherry blossoms or apple blossoms. I'm not very sure, but they kind of looks like more towards apple blossom to me. So we have very light wash of pink shade. So I'm painting the petals that is falling around. It fell on his nose, his cheeks, and around the painting as well. I'm just dabbing off the excess color and water using my fingers. Flower is something that is definitely on my agenda list. I'm learning more about them, the types of flower, how to paint them, because this is one of the elements that I really want to add on my work. In fact, I practiced drawing apple blossom just on the previous page before I painted this. Flowers and floral paintings are definitely something that you guys going to see in my page or in my art. So most of all, the video is almost at the end. If you're watching till now, thank you so much for all the love and support that you give me to my channel. It really means a lot, and I hope you enjoyed this video. You found this video helpful, relaxing, therapeutic, enjoying, whatever you call it. I definitely enjoyed making them, and I hope you enjoyed watching them as well. So here is the final look, and so please subscribe if you haven't already. Share, like, comment, and do all the things that helps the algorithm. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye, and have a great day or night.